Hello everyone, myself Poonam Batra from DAV Public School Sector 14. Today my topic is Basic Geometrical Concepts of Class 6. In Class 5, students have learned about point, line segment and ray. In Class 6, we are also doing same definitions and some other also which are related to DAV textbook. Geometry is related to some shapes and measurement. So first is point. Point is an idea. It has exact location. It is denoted by capital letter of the alphabets. Next we are having line. Line has no endpoints. It extends in either direction, either on left hand side or right hand side. Line can be named in two ways. One is using both the capital letters and other is just using single small letter by the side of line. Number 3, line segment. Line segment has two endpoints. It is a part of line. As line is unlimited but line segment has some fixed length. It has two endpoints. Ray. Ray has one endpoint fixed and other side it can extend. This endpoint is called initial point of the ray. Best example of the ray is sun. As sun is the fixed point and we are getting rays on different levels. Next one is plane. Plane is a flat surface. It extends endlessly in all directions. Examples of plane is, suppose this blackboard, floor, wall, etc. But some objects are having curved surface. Ball, orange, pencil, globe, etc. Curved surface means round. That is not flat. Then we are having properties of point and line. Take one point, draw a line. We can draw another line from this point also. Then we can draw other line, fourth line. It means we can draw unlimited lines from a single point. If we take 2 points and join them, we can draw only one line from these two given points. Next is collinear points. Suppose ABC this figure and ABCD this figure. In these two figures, points lie on the same line. It means when 3 or more points lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. But in figure here, ABC, when we join them and like this, all these points do not lie on the same line. When these points do not lie on the same line, they are called non-collinear points. Take one line and draw another line from these two lines cut at a point. This point is called point of intersection. So best example of intersecting lines is plus sign, multiplication sign, and this is nearer adjacent edges of blackboard. Parallel lines. When two lines do not meet anywhere, they are called parallel line. Distance between these two lines is always same, however far they are produced. Suppose we are having these lines. When we produce them, they will meet somewhere. It means they are not parallel. The best example of parallel lines is railway tracks, because if the track will not be parallel, then the train will be derailed. And other example is opposite edges of blackboard. When two lines meet at a point, they are called intersecting lines. Take another line from this point. We can pause another line from this point. These lines are called concurrent line. It means three or more lines, when they pass through the same point, they are called concurrent lines. Thank you. You must have enjoyed my teaching today.